A lot of people have asked me to make a video on how they can actually resubmit their KYC for the Pi network. In this video, I'm going to take you through the steps gradually, step by step, walk through on how and exactly how you can resubmit your KYC. My suggestion would be that you pay attention to this video, watch from the beginning to the end, and follow the steps when you are resubmitting your KYC. After this video, you don't need to ask anybody or send any questions to ask how you can resubmit your KYC. Do this before the open mainnet happens. See you on the other side. Now, to resubmit your KYC, you simply go to your Pi browser. Once you get to your Pi browser, the next thing you have to do is click on the KYC button you see right here. Once you click on the KYC button, it brings you to the page where if you have submitted your KYC initially and have not gotten approval, you're definitely going to see this page. Once you see this page, the next thing you have to do is just click on the button Resubmit. Once you click on Submit, the app will take you to this page where you are required to choose your country, region, or territory. Once you choose your country, the next thing you need to do is to choose your ID type. I strongly recommend you take an international passport. This way you're sure that it's a government approved document. Once you're done with that, then you need to consent to data collection and also indicate that you are 18 years old or more. After that, you click on next step. Now this next step is where you're going to be uploading your data. Now the first page gives you an instruction that you should take a photo of your ID. This ID is either the passport, driver's license, or ID card. The next step says you should type in your information. Fill out a form with details that match the information on your ID card. Make sure that the information you provide is definitely the information on your ID card. Okay? Once you're done with that, the next step is to follow some steps on the screen to confirm your identity. This is very important. Now, this page simply tells you or shows you exactly how you should upload your identity. So you have to follow these steps. First step you're going to do now is to upload your ID. When you click on Let's Go, it's going to ask you to give permission to the camera, and after that you will notice a square shape on your phone. Make sure that the ID you're taking pictures of fills into this space. If it doesn't fill into this space, I recommend you delete and redo it all over again. Once you have done it, you'll see something like this. Once you've gotten this, then you move to the next step. The next step now is for you to fill in the data from your identity. Now make sure that everything you provide on this page corresponds with the identity that you have taken shot of. If it does not correspond with the identity, you will definitely not get approved. Once you're okay with that, you click on the next step. It takes you to the last part of this process, which is the identity confirmation. This identity confirmation is where you do the liveliness and make sure that you are in a well-lit environment, a place where you have good lighting so that you can do your confirmation. Once you click on that, you give permission for your camera and then you click on Start Recording. When you start recording, you see a green shape on the screen. Make sure your face is within that green line. Once your face fits into the green line, it will turn green and accepted. After that, it will ask you to repeat it, but this time it will ask you to smile. Once you have done that and smiled, it will pick it and then it will start uploading. After the upload, we'll now go to the application review. In the application review, it will show you all the details that you have provided based on the document you have chosen. Please go through these details, go through everything and make sure that they are correct and corresponding with the document that you have provided. Corresponding. When you're sure that everything is corresponding to the document, then you go ahead and click Next. But if you're not sure, you can simply go back and edit it. Once you're okay with this, you click Next, and then it goes ahead to process your data and upload to the server. After which it has done completed uploading, it will show you a review of the document you've selected and the form that you have filled so that you go through them. If it is exactly what you have filled and what is okay for you, then you click Submit. Once you're done with that, you'll see a message that says, congratulations, your application has been submitted. Now, at this stage, you're only going to sit back, relax, and wait for the approval to come. Validations will happen from here on. When you watch this video from the beginning to the end and follow the steps correctly, you do not need to ask any questions on how to submit your KYC. To get a chance to resubmit for KYC, all you simply need to do is keep going back to your Pi browser, click on KYC, and check if you have a slot for you to resubmit your KYC. My name is Tony, and this is Basic Knowledge. Till my next video, keep my